Alright. So that's the best I could do with my camera angle. What's up? Just to kind of show you guys what I'm working with. So this piece right here is part of the vent, and it is pretty much infused to this piece of dashboard. The problem is when I or somebody else before me, because I'm pretty sure I'm thinking that these guys, someone before me tried to fix this problem we're having with this Monte Carlo and the blinkers. So they had to pull this dash apart. So that's got to go back in there somehow. This little broken piece here, it's got to go back on here so it snaps back into the dash. So I have what I like to call hillbilly soldering. Soldering iron. Plastic. Put that on there. Get it lined up about right. Close to what you can, I mean. And then just melt the shit out of it. Melt it enough to where you can, mix the plastic back together. And of course, people ain't gonna recommend doing this, but I ain't normal people, and I'm not one that's gonna go spend, however much money it's gonna cost to try and get this fixed. So you're gonna heat that up, melt it together. Make sure you're where you need to be, close as you can. And melt the piss out of this. Basically just best you really can. I mean, there ain't much, ain't a whole hell of a lot you can do. But I'd rather try something than try nothing. I've done this with tail lights. I've done this with pretty much anything plastic. I'll show you in a minute this kayak back here. I did it to that too. I mean, and you can see that that's pretty good. If I were to wiggle this one over here, that's something that should probably break in half. And like I said, I basically just welded the plastic to the other plastic. You just get a nice little... If I had two hands, I'd be able to show you this close up. Maybe in another video I will. Just... There's that. Like I said, it's on there. Chevrolet's not going to tell you that. Your local hardware store or parts store, or whatever you want to call it, it's not going to tell you that. But it works, and it'll get your dash put back together.
How's it going?
Making YouTube videos.
You're making YouTube videos?
Showing them how to
Look what I got now.
redneck solder.
Who?
YouTube, fool! I'm gonna be the next YouTube sensation.
What?
Hold on. I'm busy modifying here, woman.
But you're gonna love it.
I'm gonna love it when this car goes back together the right way too.
Ow. Damn it, I hit my head. Wait, he's recording?
Alright.